Hi guys, this is Vishal. Today it's day 7 of Speaking English 21 days challenge. Okay, so before going to start today's topic, you have to see this video, then watch this.
My name is Vishal. I am more confident today. I can do anything. And you don't know what am I doing today. You don't know what I can do today. But you should know about one thing, that is none other than.
Today I'm just going to talk about what is the power of mirror practice, and most of the people who wants to learn English, who wants to be fluent, they prefer speaking in front of mirror. And for them and for you, I'm just going to make this video. Before going to start, you have to know that what's gonna say in this video. First of all, I'm just going to say about why you should do mirror practice, and second, what is the method of correct method of speaking in front of mirror, and what you should speak in front of mirror, and why you should also involve recording yourself with your mirror technique. That's all today I'm just going to say about. So let's get started today's video. So as you've seen the video, and most of the people get confused when they comes in front of mirror. First of all, keep it one thing in your mind, that is none other than you are speaking in front of mirror. You are the only one person who is gonna speak in front of mirror. First of all, think it in your mind, okay, and keep it in your mind. Second thing, take 5 minutes challenge if you are new and if you are going to start your journey. Why am I saying this, that you should take first 5 minutes? Okay, because in this first 5 minutes you're gonna start your journey. Look, whenever new learner start learning something, they learn something. After learning something, they want to practice with someone, but they don't have subscription, they don't have anything, so they find partner, but they don't get any type of partner. So they started doing mirror practice. But most of the people get confused with this technique, that how to practice without partner. So today I'm just going to show that how to practice without partner. Without partner, you can speak first 5 minutes, as I said earlier. Okay, speak whatever topic it is, your friend, your family, your hobbies, your introduction, whatever. I said in front of mirror, as you listen my words, that I said, hi, my name is Vishal. I can do anything. I know that I can do. I am improving my English. I can do anything. I am becoming better. And also you can say like this, but if you don't want, then I am just going to give you something like, you can say affirmation. What type of affirmation and what is the meaning of affirmation? Affirmation means something positive about yourself to get or to trick your subconscious mind. To trick your subconscious mind means whenever you say something positive in your mind, it gets to the universe and it becomes your habit. So always say something positive like, I can do anything, I can do anything, I have the power, I am the inevitable, no one can beat me, I am the man who can create anything, who can go anywhere, who can do anything. Like this positive affirmation you can say to yourself. But just for 1 week you have to speak 5 minutes, all of those, whatever topic I said, okay. And then look at your body language. Second thing is, look at your body language, how you are speaking. What gestures means? Gesture means body language you are using, hand gestures, everything you are using. Look at there. What is your pronunciation? And for pronunciation I am just going to say another tips. Okay, look, for pronunciation the mirror can't say anything. You can hear your words, okay, it's okay, but the mirror can't say anything. So for it you have to involve recording yourself, like I am recording in front of camera. It gets me motivated. Whenever I listen, I know that I make mistakes. I know that I did many mistakes. But yeah, even though I'm not stopping myself, that is the first step of fluency. You know that you are making mistakes. You know you are doing wrong things. You know you can't speak. I know like this way. But I am not stopping myself. Do you know why? Because it will make me fluency. It is night, approximate 8 p.m. But I'm recording because I took a challenge. My background is just a wall background. But yeah, I'm showing you that I don't come from any high class background. I am like you, lower middle class family. I have my own house or rented house. It doesn't matter. What matters? What is my determination? My determination is nothing for you, but it is something for me. I have to complete my determination. Likewise, you have to complete your determination only. Whenever I feel that I don't have any words, I can't speak, so I round the sentences. And you trust me, I don't translate in my mind. Yeah, I get confused sometimes that because of grammar. But yeah, I also ignore it. I started speaking. I trick my mind. You have to do like this. You have to involve recording yourself too. That's how you can practice alone. So that is a short video I made for you because I wanted to say that how to practice. So I hope that you got to know. I'm not going to just elaborate or make this long video because I want to speak. I want to speak, but I also want to give you something. And there are many mosquitoes who's biting me, so I can't speak with peaceful mind. So I'm just going to end this video here. See you day 8, and I'm just going to say that how is my 1 week.